Good evening, Ireland.
Good evening.
We know a lot about Ireland. We know you like the green color. You got big potatoes. You also like to drink a lot, like the Slovenians.
Oh, yes.
But tell us something more about your dances.
Our dance is a mixture of quite traditional but also quite modern.
Yeah.
There's lots of sort of intricate steps, but then there's also like sort of free-flowing and graceful
steps. In soft shoes, as well as we do steps in the heavy shoes that make noise. So we combine like intricate rhythms and beats. So we're really combining music and dance with what we do.
We're actually
a group from Scotland. We're from Edinburgh, but we do have Irish people in our group. We're really just trying to bring everybody together. So yeah, it's for fun, enjoyment.
Tell us something more about your group. So how long do you exist?
Diane Newman's our group leader, and she started the group off in 1997, so can't do the maths in my head.
15 years?
15 years. It's been going for, and in that time there's obviously been people come and gone, but there's been people long-standing that have been in it since 1997.
And it's a mixture of complete beginners who have never ever danced before, or people that still compete, and people that used to dance but now don't anymore, like competitively, so have came back.
Just to enjoy it, for exercise, fun, and to meet new people.
And to come to places like this.
You've got quite some noisy shoes.
Do you want to do basic step?
Fiberglass tips on them. That's where the noise comes from. Do you want us to do your step?
Yeah, please.
Do the basic step?
Basic step.
Ready, go.
Oh, sorry. Tell us something about Bulgaria.
We love our country, and we make the folklore music. And
what is the name of your group?
Trakia, ensemble Trakia.
Oh.
Trakia, yes.
So you come from the Thracian region?
Yes, region Thrace. Region,
yeah.
yes. Plovdiv, from Plovdiv town.
What will you dance tonight? What have you prepared?
One dance from Thrace region.
What is it called?
Gergiovski tanc. Gergiovski tanc.
Osetia is not very good, but people in Osetia is very friendly, very beautiful, very kind, yes. Our nature is very good. We have many mountains, yes.
Ossetia is a part of the Russian Federation, is it? But you don't look very Russian to me.
Don't look.
No, you look so green.
It's old Ossetian clothes. It's Cherkeska. Bashlik, Ichigi. That is Ichigi. Gaziri is Ossetian old clothes.
What about your dances? Ossetia is in the Caucasian region. The Caucasian region is very, wild.
Yes, our dance is very hot. It's very, very strong dance. Our dance is very strong.
What about your group? What is your name?
Our group name is Arfan.
What does it mean?
Arfan is the first horse in the of the Natsky epos.
How do you like Maribor Festival in Slovenia?
The festival is very good. Maribor is a very beautiful town.
People here are very kind and friendly.
People is very good people.
Dobar večer Hrvatska. Jesmo li spremni?
Nadamo se da jesmo.
Odakle ste?
Iz Zagreba.
I šta se danas pleše u Zagrebu?
Mi plešemo sve, ali trenutno smo došli ovdje i sad ćemo izvesti večeras Međimursku pisanu nedjelju. Plesove Međimurja.
I kakva je?
Pa nama je prekrasno, nadamo se da ćete i vi biti zadovoljni s onim što ćemo pokazati.
I vi ste grupa?
Zagrebački folklorni ansambl dr. Ivana Ivančana.
I plešete jako dugo?
Ja plešem u ansamblu 5 godina, ali plešem cijeli život. Folklorom se bavim cijeli život.
I kakva je razlika između onim plesima koji se pleše u Zagrebu i, u Slavoniji?
Pa razlika je velika, ali u tome je ljepota Hrvatske. Svi su plesovi različiti, imamo puno nošnji, bogati smo time i mi se trudimo njegovati to da se ne izgubi, da i dalje nove generacije koje dođu znaju što imamo i cijene to.
I kakva je vaša nošnja noćas? Šta je sve ovo?
Ovo je vrlo jednostavna međimurska nošnja.
Međimurska?
Da, međimurska. Imamo oplečak ili košulju, imamo podsuknje, to vam neću pokazati.
Ajme.
Znači imamo suknju, fertun ili pregaču i tibet ili maramu. i poculicu na glavi, to su nosile udane žene. Ali nama je to scenski lijepo, pa onda mi nosimo poculice.
Kako vam se sviđa u Mariboru?
Joj, Maribor nam je jako lijep, sve nam je ovdje jako lijepo.
Prvi put?
Nama je prvi put, ansambl je već bio u Mariboru prije par godina, da.
Buenas tardes, cowboy de Chile.
Buenas tardes.
¿Cómo te gusta Eslovenia, Maribor, Festivala Lent?
The Festival of Maribor, for us, for all the group, is a new experience. I'm the first time in Europe, and for a lot of the group, and it's a very wonderful experience. Know the city, the people, other groups of other countries.
Tell us something about the dances in Chile. What do you dance?
Chile is a long country, and we have different dance. Depend of the zone of the country.
And you are from which part?
Well, the central zone. This dance that will dance in the central zone. Like names of the dance are mazamorra, cueca, and this traje is typical of the central zone.